Hello everyone, and welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. Today, we're going to learn what a percentage is and how percentages are used in everyday life. Let's get started. So, what is a percentage? A percentage means out of 100. The percent symbol means per 100. For example, 50% means 50 out of 100. Let's see how percentages can be written as fractions. 25% equals 25 over 100, which simplifies to 1/4. 50% equals 1/2. 75% equals 3/4. And 100% equals 1/2. To change a percentage into a decimal, divide by 100. For example, 25% is 0.25. 50% is 0.5. 75% is 0.75. And 100% is 1. Percentages are everywhere in everyday life. You might see 50% off a pizza, 100% attendance, 80% on a maths test, or your phone battery showing 25%. Now it's your turn. Which fraction is equal to 75%? Is it A. 1/2, B. 1/4, C. 3/4, or D. 4/5? Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is C. 3/4. 75% becomes 75 over 100. Simplify the fraction, and we get 3/4. Let's review what we've learned today. A percentage means out of 100. The percent symbol means per 100. And a percentage can be written as a fraction or a decimal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.